Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to set up the dashboard page. So let's get started. Let's navigate to the VS Code. As you can see, the dashboard component. So first of all, I'm going to add here the HTML code where we have a table container. Inside this, we have a box with the properties that we have: display flex, justify content space between, align atom center, and the margin that we have two. Inside this, we have two buttons. In the left of the screen, we have a button with the caption post new user. In the right of the screen, we have a button with the caption logout. On the click of the post new user button, we are calling the method that is a handle post new user. And on the click of the logout button, we are calling the method that is a handle logout. Let me import the table container, box, and the button from the material UI. As you can see the import. After this, I'm going to import the add and the logout icon. As you can see the import. So inside the dashboard method, I'm going to initialize use navigate hook. So it will be a const navigate. Let me initialize this with the use navigate hook. Now after this, I'm going to create here the method that is a handle post new user. It will be a const name of the method that is a handle post new user. And it will be a callback function. Inside this, I'm going to write here the functionality to navigate the admin to the post new user page. So let me define here the path that we have /user. Let me duplicate this method, update the method name that we have handle logout. Inside this, I'm going to add here the toy and the catch block. The catch block will catch an exception. So let me add here the console.error to print the error message in the console. Inside the try block, I'm going to call here the method that is a sign out. Let me import here the method that we have sign out. As you can see the import, it will be from Firebase /auth. After this, I'm going to import the auth from the firebase.js file that we have created inside the utils package. And it will be from /utils/firebase. So inside the try block, I'm going to call here the method that is a sign out. Inside this, we have to pass here the auth object. Let me add here the await. So it will be a async function. Now after this, I'm going to call here the instance of the use navigate hook to navigate the admin to the login page. Let me check the console, what errors we are getting. So the error that we are getting, paper is not defined. Let me import this. As you can see, error removed. Now let's navigate to the browser. As you can see, the buttons, the first we have post a new user. It's navigating us to the post new user page. And this is the logout button. Let me click on this. As you can see, it's navigating us to the login page. So I'm going to access the dashboard page without logging in. We are not able to access the dashboard page. Let me log in here the admin again. Let's click on the logout button again. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.